Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your PlayStation Network account and confirming you show as online. This allows others to see you. Once done, update the Ps5 system software and pair your headset, USB or Bluetooth, so audio routes correctly. Then open your friends list and find the person you want to chat with. Make sure to press options to create party or invite immediately, because creating the party is the first actionable step that connects voice and invites in one go. Next, invite friends into the party or send a party link for faster joins. This keeps the group together even if someone drops. Make sure to open settings sound to select input device and set mic level. Set voice chat output to headset or TV depending on preference, because routing affects privacy and echo. Once done, use GameBase to switch between parties, mute individuals, and watch the speaker indicator so you can manage who's heard without interrupting gameplay or losing context. To finish, end or leave the party from options leave party. If you are the host, transfer host before leaving to preserve invites. Make sure to use the PS app keyboard for quick text when typing on the controller is slow, and remember you can join or manage voice from your phone. If something goes wrong, like no mic audio, check privacy settings, confirm input device selection, inspect cables, restart the PS5, and run the mic test. This single tip solves most connection and hardware problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.